couple of years ago, I stored this engine away for the winter with Blue Block ARO, and I did the same thing I did here. Sealed off everything from air, and when I took it apart, it was severely rusted inside. Even though I had used, I basically filled the engine with ARO and then cranked it out of there and then sealed it all up like you see here. This year what I did, or last fall what I did, was I used 5W30 Quaker State motor oil, and I'm going to unbox it and see how it looks. Okay, I've got the zip ties off. Some oil out of there. Go ahead and dismount the engine from the boat. See what it looks like. Okay, I've taken the bolts out. A couple left in there. It's I'll set up a tripod, and you'll get to see at the same time I get to see what's inside. Alright, let's see if I can do this without getting in the way here. Here we go. It's perfect. No rust. A little bit of oil in there yet. No rust whatsoever in there. Last year, that was all completely rusted. The crank was rusted, all the bearings were shot. I had to replace the crank and the bearings. But this is what it looks like after being stored with 5W30 motor oil.